Okay guys, so I got the package in from Downtown BMX. They sent me my Merritt front wheel with the hub guards. We're gonna do a little bit of unboxing. Here we go. So let's open this. So I got my front wheel in the mail today from Downtown BMX. Their address is 227 West Main Street in Elkin, North Carolina. Give them guys a call, hit them up. I was preferred by Montana Ricky of Merritt BMX. I mean, the guy that runs it, Adam, really nice guy. They got my package here within 2 days. They ship on weekends, so you can't ask for anything better. Wheel's perfect, the build is awesome, so I can't thank you guys enough. So yeah, if you guys have any questions or need anything for your bikes, head up Downtown BMX. Also, Weekly Cruise 6 is dropping in a couple days, so keep your eyes peeled, guys. Today, we're going to be doing a bike check on my Subversa Nostra 3 setup with the Merritt wheel build. Starting with the front, we have the Merritt non-stop front hub laced to the Merritt battle rim with Merritt spokes and the Merritt hub guards on both sides. Then we have Shadow Conspiracy Strata Nuova tires on the front and the rear in a 2.30. We're running the Shadow Slider die pegs, Scott Ditchburn signature pegs. We have the Shadow Ravager polished top load 53mm. On that we have the Subversa Nostra 2-piece bars in 8.75 Ed Black Conspiracy Gypsy grips. All that is getting built down to a Subversa Nostra 3 frame and a 21.15. Back of it we have the Shadow Conspiracy tripod post. As a seat we have the Shadow Conspiracy Gypsy seat. Bottom we have the Shadow Conspiracy killer cranks in 165 polished. On the cranks we have a set of Shadow Ravager pedals. Connected to the cranks we have a Merritt bottom bracket, mid 22mm. On that bad boy we got the Subversa Magnum bash guard sprocket in 28 tooth. Chain to that will be a Shadow Conspiracy Supreme chain. And then on to the rear we have a Merritt vinyl drive free coaster in 9 tooth right hand drive, laced to the Merritt battle rim with Merritt spokes. Thank you guys for watching my 2017 bike check. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns on any of the parts or need any advice, let me know in the comments below. Later this week we will be having Weekly Cruise 6 dropping, so keep your eyes peeled. And soon in summer I'm thinking about dropping a clothing line for Weekly Cruising t-shirts. Also in the comments, let me know what you guys think about that. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and keep smashing that subscribe button for me. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you till next time.